they do it without hate?
Oh, we've got a lot of carnage.
You guys are really vibing down here, huh?
Hi and welcome to Como. It's been 3 months since we last raced or saw each other. I'm excited. I'm really excited because we have worked, let's say, over the period of time. Hopefully it will bring results. I will have some friends coming over as well, so it's gonna be just a nice Italian vlog. Hopefully some good food, some good vibes, funny jokes, and some awesome racing. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The boats are getting ready, and our baby is here. That's the paddock looks like. Okay, we will do the real tour later. It was just a quick hi and hello with people. Let's go and see where the race site is going to be. Ciao! Hi!
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Como. That's the thing what I love about morning runs, that you can see the place. Wow. Cool. We have finally made it to our mission control area and the race will be on there, but look at that view and then look at there. Crazy. I have one activity for you. Go put a like and a subscribe. It will mean just a lot, that it will be a nice thing to do. So do one thing nice today, which is putting a subscribe and like for this video, and enjoy the rest of it. Boo. Hello, Rusty.
Beautiful sunshine.
Beautiful
finally
sunshine.
sunshine.
Good morning, day 2. I'm on a morning run again. Wings for Life World Run is coming up. But today is day 2 and in the morning we're gonna do a stunt. Shh. Can't probably show you what the stunt is gonna be, but it's super cool, something different, something fun related to the foiling and electric things. I will definitely film it, but if the video is not out then I can't put anything in this vlog as well. Back from the run, and I brought some stuff from Estonia for guys to test. Okay, the chocolate, but actually the main thing that I brought was the black bread from Muhu. So I'm gonna give that to mechanics and our team members to test. Also, the most important thing that goes with it, the butter, right butter with some salty crystals. I hope they like it, but let's see if they enjoy it. Take a bite. Cameron, what do you think?
That's nice, right?
That's alright.
Wow.
It is different.
That is nice.
I'm going for this guy.
The butter is thicker than the bread,
It's exactly like it's supposed to be.
so it's like the butter is the
Right now, yes.
star, not the bread.
Butter is the cherry on top.
Very nice.
It's different, the bread.
The butter's pretty salty.
It is salty butter. That's the reason.
Why is it so dark?
Because it's dark, like it's black bread.
It was not the explanation.
Because the grain is different.
Why?
That's the black bread grain.
So this is cake or bread?
It's bread. Black bread.
Is that enough butter?
Exactly. Frank it. No, it's good.
Rye bread.
It is the black bread. Rye bread.
It is rye.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's sweet too.
a little bit.
This is good.
Nice.
I like it.
Yeah, that's,
You can never have
perfect.
too much
exactly.
butter.
It's a lot of butter. Oh.
It's like our fish. Oh my god.
Good, right?
Thank you.
Nice, isn't it?
That's home.
That's all.
Yes.
is clear from the chicane, we got to do a short lap straight away without doing another lap. So this is a critical point. Remember the right of way. And first of the right of way, remember that you have to be safe.
So we just did the course check. The course is huge. Biggest one so far that we have ever raced. But it looks fun. I think there are some interesting moments that can happen. How the long and the regular track comes together, but also you can push a bit from coming out of the short in the start and finish lines. And here is our photographers. Hello.
Hello.
How was the stunt?
That's good. Yeah.
You said
really
it was your one of the favorite things to
Oh,
shoot.
it's definitely one of the coolest things I've ever shot. Yeah, that was brilliant. It was really, really good.
Good.
You heading up there for practice?
Yeah, we did a course check right now, and now we're gonna go to the mission control and start logging,
Nice.
doing the secret work.
Yeah, the top secret stuff.
Don't tell anyone. So yeah, exactly. Going to the mission control now. We'll put up the setup, computers, screens, everything. And we have a view, looks like, hopefully. So we were P3 in last round, so which means we are third chair in this lineup as well.
What is that?
Are you ready to race with us again?
Oh, hell yeah. Ready to win.
Enjoy looking at the back of our boat.
Ready?
Look at this place. I mean, how can you be stressed with this environment?
Exactly, and me.
And you calming our presence. Doesn't get better than this.
And somehow it is almost 8 o'clock. Today we were supposed to have 4 30-minute sessions, but there were some delays and everything, so at the end we got to do only 2 sessions. We also had issue that we decided to fix during the day. But yeah, we got 2 sessions, we got some data, something to analyze for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be qualification day. So we will go over there and make our decisions, come up with the plan. Hopefully the best plan.
Okay, Coconut Man, Moonheads, and
Hi, new day, quali day. I'm up on a boat, checking some things inside the cockpit. The water is a bit more choppy. Here's the cockpit for us. As a driver, you get to have the most amazing view ever. So, we're all set up in this mission control, and let's go to the launch zone now to drop off some SD cards. So the paddock area is pretty spread out. As you can see, the boats are there, our mission control are back there, and the paddock area is already there. Here's also the order of the championships. Usually we were around there, but we are P3, so we are with the big dogs. And look at those boats. Like, that is Lake Como for sure. Good luck!
hi, thank you.
Okay, we have Rafa, Sierra, then Westbrook, and after Westbrook, it is us.
The vibe today is to soak up as much of the warm atmosphere we've got going around here and fusing it to give positive energies to the boat to then go out there and do really well.
Yeah, I'm very excited for the day. Quality day is always obviously where the weekend begins, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. I'm looking forward to it. Today is a big day.
Boats are ready, as we can see. Guys are ready. I'm going back to the mission control to get ready, and then we're off to...
How you doing,
Hi.
kid?
Good luck.
Oh, I'm gonna need it. All the luck in the world. We'll just kind of sap it from you. We'll take it. Thank you so much.
Yep.
I appreciate that.
I will be thinking about you, so
yeah.
I can like give some energy.
When you guys are on the podium and you can wave to me, all right?
Oh. Okay, bye. And here is us, our lovely mission control. Enough of the scenery. We're ready to go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Your word, come on, show 'em why. Your word, make 'em go, As you shoot across the sky.
So Q1 done, and we're good. P2 and P1 in our sessions, which means we are top positions. Currently going to find some lunch, bring some food to the mission control, and I have some friends here from Estonia as well, so let's say hi to them and see what they think of this E1 foiling thing. Ciao! Hello, hello! Täna on meil riis Biffiga. Good food, good food.
Vlogger ju. Se vende vlog ju.
Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave it rolling
High five.
How you feel?
Yeah, cool.
Happy?
Yeah, please.
Satisfied?
It is, yeah.
You know, it's the bare minimum.
Well, yeah. Yeah, it's nice to be back at P1. I think it's been a while. Yeah,
We keep going.
hope so. Same again tomorrow.
Yeah, good job.
You too.
Woo! Fastest of them all.
P1 for tomorrow, so we're really excited. We started yesterday not really well on the practice because we have some problems, but today really good P1 and we need to finish.
Okay, now?
Vamos.
Vamos!
Just pilots.
Again in a boat, checking everything. The view is great again. But yeah, boat looks good, ready to go. Hello! Before the show starts, I brought some ice cream to our mission control. Let's see who's gonna have it. Quick data overview, and we're ready for the second race, second group race. Let's go. Second race. We actually timed the start perfectly, but the buoys had moved, so the timing line was different, and we got a 1 long lap penalty, which put us at the end to the P3. So we're into the race-off, where top 4 goes to the finals later. Small break, quick lunch, back to racing. Hello, hello. Oh, tere. Pasta. Grazie. So a quick update. We filed a protest against the long lap penalty we got for the start because looking at the data, as I said before, we didn't jump and we were safe, and they said okay. They took the penalty away, so we are P1 from the second race as well, which means we're straight into final. So now we're gonna watch the race off and see who else are gonna be in the final. Right now, us and Brady are qualified. We're ready to go race for the win. Quick update. Just finished the first final. We were P4. Really messy race. There was a lot of yellow flag, straying in the right speed, also waves and everything. But main thing, we're in final. P4 is our starting position, and let's try to make most out of it. Rusty's in a boat, and Nerea has done amazing job keeping everything tight. And whew, I'm excited. The heart rate is definitely going up.
Ryan with an early jump here.
Yeah, that's
And here comes John Peters.
Going to actually get into the first corner ahead. Can they do it without it? Oh,
What a carnage!
my goodness! He won, and it was here at Lake Como, and Westbrook take the victory. Lucas Ordonez has done it comfortably with Blue Rising. John Peters, who started completely the opposite end, has come.
Oh, he cut away. Is he going to make it?
Oh!
Thanks very much.
Close, yeah.
This close. P4 from Lake Como GP. Actually, I'm happy with the week. We did some great driving, and the boat looked nice. Now we're gonna check if the boat is okay because we had some contact in the last race. Pilots did a good job. We learned a lot, new ideas for new race. But yeah, interesting. It was really cool week here. The location is nice. Our team is amazing, so please put a like and subscribe to us, or to me, sorry, to this channel. It means a lot. And soon we're gonna go on water with jet ski as well and start this season. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate you and see you soon. So our test mates in Mission Control won the race and we are happy for them as well. But next time we're gonna get them. I brought some pizza. Gluten free.
No way.
Yes, yes way, gluten free. So let's eat both of them. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. #content